Welcome back to One More Guru. When it comes to your cat's health, every pet owner wants the best. With so many supplements online, it's natural to wonder if Tryzivo Meow Pro is actually legit or just another gimmick. This product is marketed as a liquid cat supplement aimed at supporting digestion, improving gut balance, and encouraging picky eaters to regain their appetite. The formula is mild enough for daily use, which sounds appealing for cats with stomach issues or feeding difficulties. On the positive side, the product presentation is professional, and it offers a 7-day money-back guarantee, which adds some credibility. Liquid supplements can be easier to administer than pills, making them convenient for pet owners. Supporting gut health is a real benefit since digestion is a key part of overall pet wellness. However, there are important concerns. Information about the brand is very limited, making it hard to verify its reliability. Independent customer reviews are scarce, so it's difficult to confirm consistent results in real-world use. Bold health claims without strong clinical backing should also be approached with caution. So, is Tryzivo Meow Pro legit or a scam? It's somewhere in the middle. It doesn't appear to be an outright scam, but it also lacks transparency and strong evidence to fully validate its effectiveness. Before purchasing, it's wise to consult your veterinarian and compare it with established, trusted pet supplements. Your cat's health deserves decisions grounded in facts, not just marketing. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Subscribe for more honest reviews.